Good evening. From Invent Your First Boot, we'll quickly lead you through our working strategies. So, when I talk about strategy, I mean the profitable strategies. We're going to share with you 20 strategies that you can use with your 5 minutes time frame. With 5 minutes time frames, you can have a good trading system. So I'm going to share it with you within 5 minutes. So I want you to also comment as you use the strategies. One, the strategies is my long time strategy I've been using for my trade. So we have passed through all the hook and corner of the Forex. So this strategy can be used by any level of traders, whether you are beginners, intermediate, or you are professional trader. So I'm going to quickly share with you my trading strategies for 5 minute time frame. Number one, number one, 5 minutes time frame. Number two, the system or the strategy can be used for any pairs. You can use it for us, USD, USD, Euro USD, then GBP, and other pairs as you want. I will quickly show you what are the strategies. Number one of the strategies that you're going to use is you're going to use this. I will give you the list of the indicators that you're going to use. One, you're going to use MACD. MACD. Two, stochastic. Three, EMA.